better cuff your lady, can't nobody tame me. Blame me for keeping her running, yacht raining. Ladies used to hate me, now they come out, now they panties. Girls on the job, pocket full of socks, got a fat notch, something don't squat, down, down for the block, tryna be hot but you flop, wanna be shot to the top but you not. I ain't never seen so much pain when I seen.
Vocês sabem por que eu tô feliz assim, né, galera? Porque eu acabei de voltar lá da Bahia e foi muito top o evento dos moleque. Extreme Baixo, terceira edição. Galera, ganhei uma camisa lá muito top, se liga. Aí, da Extreme Baixo, moleque. Ganhei também aí 2 copinhos, quero agradecer ao organizador do evento, 2 copos. E também ganhei um adesivo. Com certeza, esse aqui eu vou colar num lugar bem especial. Então não vou demorar muito não, sem mais delongas. Dia 18 de novembro vou estar cobrindo a Expo Baixo, lá em Novo Hamburgo, Rio Grande do Sul. E quero ver todo mundo lá, vai estar Danleles, Misael, vai estar D2M, vai ser muito doido também. E galera, dia 2 de dezembro vou estar lá em Lauro de Freitas, lá ao lado de Salvador, Bahia. Vai ser top demais, Campeonato Nacional de Som. E vai ser louco o bagulho, meu irmão. Dia 9 de dezembro vai ter Campeonato Brasileiro de Som Rebaixado, mega final de 2018, aqui em Brasília. E vai ser pancada também, quero ver todo mundo lá. E dia 15 e 16 de dezembro estarei... Dia 15 e 16 de dezembro estarei... E dia 15 e 16 de dezembro estarei em Mineiros, Goiás. Eu acho que é a nossa última agenda de 2018 e vai ser pancada e quero ver todo mundo de Mineiros lá. Vai lotar que o bagulho vai ser doido. Então é isso, galera, fica com o vídeo, vamos lá. Obrigado, Itabuna, Bahia. O evento de vocês foi fantástico, mesmo embaixo de chuva, pé d'água, a galera compareceu e não desanimou. Tamo junto, valeu, é nóis.
In the place, everybody getting many. Punks better cuff your lady, can't nobody tame me. Blame me for keeping her running, yacht raining. Ladies used to hate me, now they come out, now they panties. Girls on the job, pocket full of socks, got a fat notch, something don't squat, down, down for the block, tryna be hot but you flop, wanna be shot to the top but you not. I ain't never seen so much green than when I seen when my team hit the scene. It must be a dream. Hit the stage, everybody holler, getting thrown with the show for a bigger dollar. Father, I don't wanna leave nobody too left, cause they greedy in the middle of what I do best. You finna see me in the TV with a few guests. We bout to bubble, baby, get your waterproof vest.
Come get me. They can't fuck with the 5.0 bitch.
Hey yo, Mimo, drop that shit.
Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, pour that bang, bang. Nigga, get his bout as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, you out of my range. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, pour that bang, bang. Nigga, get his bout as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, you out of my range. Give a shit stank.
People, how we do it, keep it real, it's penitentiary steel. This ain't no freestyle battle, all you niggas getting killed with your mouths open. Tryna come up off of me, you in the clouds open. Smoking dope, it's like a Sherman. Niggas think they learn to fly, but they burn, motherfucker, you deserve to die. Talking about you getting money, but it's funny to me. All you niggas living bummy while you fucking with me. I'm a self-made millionaire, thug living out of prison, pistols in the air. Biggie, remember when I used to let you sleep on the couch and beg a bitch to let you sleep in the house? Now it's all about Versace, you copy my style. 5 shots couldn't drop me, I took it and smiled. Now I'm back to set the record straight. With my AK, I'm still the thug that you love to hate. Motherfucker, we hit him up. West side, you know who the realest is, niggas, we bring it to you. That's alright.
Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, pour that bang, bang. Nigga, get his bout as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, you out of my range. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, pour that bang, bang. Nigga, get his bout as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, you out of my range.
moaning, whining, and bitching. Sit and observe, listen, you'll learn if you pay attention. Why 10 multi-platinum albums later, 3 diamond worldwide. We're in the charts with a bullet and still clutch. We was swearing with the sharks, wrestled with alligators. Spoke to a generation of angry teenagers who, if it wasn't for rap to bridge the gap, maybe raised to be racist. Who may have never got to see our faces. Great to cover a Rolling Stone pages. Broke down barriers of language and races. Just call on the Jake Crusaders and leave it to me and Trey to pass the mic and we can play the back and forth all day like the hot potato game. That's why we cater.
Come on, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all can run faster than that, can't you? Come on, come on.
Nigga, we hit click, nigga, bang bang, throw that bang bang. Nigga, get as about as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click click, nigga, bang bang. Give a fuck if you got him again, you out of my range. Click click, nigga, bang bang, throw that bang bang. Nigga, get as about as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click click, nigga, bang bang. Give a fuck if you got him again, you out of my range. Give the shit stain.
Yeah, you know what the fuck this is? Open your motherfucking ears, pay attention. You in the midst of my homeboy, DJ Mimo.
Driving in a Pontiac, girl, you know I got your back. Tell you straight just how to act. These niggas out just snatching with they practice. I don't fuck with that. You know I've been chasing, couple friends racing. We really still playing, leaving and we still grazing. Got no fucking plans, got no fucking plans. I don't really know the way these niggas saying I'm the man, cause I chose to fall. Know that I take all these fucking diamonds and cars. I swear I made it so far. These niggas telling me ways, they telling me ways. Been searching for days and I need a place, man. Just wanna erase it. These bitches, I hate these fucking snitches. All they wanted was the bitches and they left me with the stitches. I'm gone. Why you calling? I'm gone. Expose your ass on a song. I swear I waited too long for your love, 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 your love.
Stones and flowers on the ground, we are lost and found. What love is gonna save us? Shadows walking in the crowd, we are lost and found. What love is gonna save us? Us, 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 love is gonna save us. is gonna save us.
Joga, joga!
De novo, de novo! É um!
É outra, é outra, vai!
Um, dois e...
Já lavou o chão já!
Acabou?